Now shifting our focus to the United States in an extraordinary turn. The New York judge presiding over President-elect Donald Trump's hush money case on Friday set sentencing for 10 days before his January 20 inauguration and said he was inclined to impose jail time. Judge said Trump, the first former president ever convicted of a crime, can appear either in person or virtually at his January 10 sentencing. Trump is expected to lodge an appeal that could potentially delay his sentencing. Remember, Trump was convicted in New York in May of 34 counts of falsifying business records to cover up a hush money payment to porn star Stormy Daniels on the eve of 2016 election to stop her from revealing an alleged 2006 sexual encounter. And my colleague Disha Bagchi is also joining me for more on this. Disha, take us through what will be the implication of this judgment on US President Donald Trump.
Right, Aditi. So just 10 days before he's set to enter office, Donald Trump is going to face sentencing in the only case so far that he has been convicted of, which is the New York hush money case, where he was convicted in May of falsifying business records to cover up a hush money payment he paid to for porn star Stormy Daniels to cover up a relationship that they had. And now, just 10 days before it, while he was convicted almost a year ago, the sentencing was delayed multiple times as Donald Trump's legal team continued to appeal to have the case thrown out altogether. And since his victory in November last year, numerous cases against Donald Trump have already been dismissed, including cases of election interference as well as the Jan 6 riots. They were already dismissed by the Justice Department. This was the only case where, since he was convicted as a felon, he was expected to be sentenced. But now Donald Trump's legal team is likely to appeal this sentencing yet again. And it could hence mean that there could be a delay in the sentencing. And if there is a delay, indeed, this delay would in fact now be after 4 years after Donald Trump finishes his second presidency, because so far in the US Constitution, a US president is only allowed to have a presidential term, two presidential terms, consecutive or non-consecutive. So if the sentencing is delayed further, it would be after 4 years. So what did Juan Merchant say? The judge did in fact say that he's unlikely to give jail time to President-elect, but rather give him unconditional discharge, which would help Donald Trump use his other legal rights. So that's what he has said. And now Donald Trump has in fact responded to this and has called this development illegitimate and has said that a violation of his First Amendment rights. So back to you, Aditi.
Certainly, a lot more to add in this story, as it is a developing story. Donald Trump is reacting, saying this illegitimate political attack is nothing but a rigged charade.